Do you own or manage a fleet of trucks, buses, or vehicles for your business? Have any of your drivers been a victim of a staged accident scam, where the drivers of one or more cars creates an accident which makes it look like it was your driver's fault? Then the driver of the staged accident vehicle claims injuries and sues your company. The reality is that 85% of truck driving accidents are not the fault of the truck driver, and 9 out of 10 accidents are due to causes outside the control of the driver. But how do you prove the accident was staged? If you can't, the average cost to defend these lawsuits is $200,000. The solution to proving the real cause of the staged accident and improving driver safety, along with reducing maintenance costs, is video telematics. Video telematics is a fancy word. But in the case of staged accidents, it's an eyewitness account of what happened and who is really at fault. Would you be interested in improving driver safety, reducing operating and maintenance costs, and lowering accident rates and your insurance premiums? Again, the solution is a video camera that monitors driver behavior as well as GPS location, speed, braking, swerving, lane departures, and tailgating, all in real time, allowing you to watch the live feed and video playbacks. This means you can ride shotgun in every vehicle on every route. To schedule a 15-minute phone conversation with Todd, the owner of GeoSavvy, which has provided fleets with GPS, electronic logging devices, and video telematic solutions since 2007, click the link in the description below. During this short call, you'll learn further details on how video telematics can help you avoid costly lawsuits, improve driver safety, answer any of your questions, and get special pricing for your fleet.